पर्पल फेस्ट इज अ वेस्ट ऑफ मनी अशें म्हटलें ताणें आनी वायट पेपर कितें म्हणटा?
No, we don't comment on all those things because when anybody who does things, then only people will criticize. If we don't do, for last few years nobody has taken initiative. There were no comments and there was no criticism. We welcome a constructive criticism. We may be having some lapses, we cannot say that we are foolproof and we have done everything for person with disability. So we agree there are lapses, there are a lot of things to be done. We started it last year and all these years nobody has commented, nobody has criticized, and I don't think Purple Fest is merely a waste of money. It is not at all. Purple Fest is not a magic that would turn around and you will find very next day everything happening. This is the attempt, this is the sensitization, this is the awareness. With the Purple Fest, people belonging to the disability sector will understand their rights, their authority, and they will be empowered socially. Whatever stigma they carry, they will come out of that, they will rebuild their confidence and they will see the new life. When everybody comes together, they will see different person with disabilities having worse kind of scenario and living a happy life. So that gives them the confidence, that gives them the way, that gives them the reason for living. And at the same time, all these things you will not see physically when there are 10 matches. If they find 20 of them getting married, finding do you see such kind of initiative elsewhere? Will anybody say that, advertise that this is the outcome of Purple Fest? It is not. If let us say 100 people got the job, will they come and interact with the media saying that I got a job because of Purple Fest? There are so many things which are happening behind the screen which doesn't come and reflect on the media. The person who is saying it is waste of money, I don't know for what reasons. Do you believe that there are changes happened in this last 1 year? आमी बिचाचेर गेले जर जाय जाल्यार आमकां रॅम्प सापडटा. खुबशे बिल्डिंगांनी गेल्यार तुमकां सायन हे आसा, खंय तरी लिफ्ट केल्ले आसा, खंय तरी रॅम्प केल्ले आसा. जे हांव सांगता 15 वर्सां घडले ना ते 1 वर्सा घडलेले आसा. आमचे कडेन आसतल्यो 1000 बिल्डिंगो, तातूंतले थोडे बिल्डिंगो तरी आमी हे करतात न्ही. वेन ही इज आस्किंग फॉर ताजो हिशोब आनी व्हायट पेपर मागता पळय न्ही, he should get it from RTI bhi asa. We have not got the money. Let me tell you, तांकां दिसता की ते 7 कोटी काडले आनी सुभाष फळदेसाया कडेन दिले आनी सुभाष फळदेसायान ते अशे उडयले आनी खाले. हांव जो प्रत्येक गोश्ट आसा ती टेंडर केल्ली आसा. वी आर नॉट एट ऑल इनवॉल्ड. ह्या टेंडरान भितर वी आर नॉट एट ऑल इनवॉल्ड. म्हजे सायनीन ते जाले ना. ताका अकाउंट्स आसा, ताका टेंडर आसा, ताजे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा. हे सगळें करता आसतना ताजे एअर टिकेट्स आसात. आमकां पळय, आमी आतां एअर टिकेटीक दिले, लॉजिंगाक दिले, हे पयशे तुका दिसता? तुका बिल्डींग मारल्यार दिसतली. जे ह्या अवेरनेसा खातीर, सेन्सिटायझेशना खातीर जे लोक हांगा येतात तांचे एअर फ्लायटाचे तिकेट्स आसात त्यो कोणाक दिसल्या? तांचे लॉजिंग पळय आसा न्ही. आतां आमकां 1700 लोकांक आमकां लॉजिंग फॅसिलिटी दिवपा जाय. फाल्यां सकाळीं तुमी येतलो आनी खंय मोडले ते दाखय, 2 कोटी खंय मोडले ते दाखय, म्हजे कडेन दाखोवपा जाता. बट इट इज प्रॉपरली टेंडर्ड आनी तातूंतल्यान त्या प्रोसेसांतल्यान गेल्ले आसा. गव्हर्मेंट डजंट स्पेंड इन कॅश. सो ही शूड अंडरस्टँड आनी मिडियानी अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय. ताका प्रश्न विचारपाक जाय, तूं प्रॉपर माध्यमांतल्यान कित्याक वचना? तूं RTI घेवन ताजेर कित्याक फायल करना? आनी जे मागपी आसा पळय न्ही, अशे हिशोब बी मागतात, ताणें आपूण कितलो क्लीन आसा तें दाखोवपा जाय न्ही. आय थिंक द ड्रॅग इज अ इन्स्टिट्यूशन. इज इट रजिस्टर्ड?
No, it's not a registered organization.
So he himself representing drag and he is taking this forum much. Everybody believes that he is a savior or तो ताजो सगळ्यांच्यानी मुख्य म्हणून. ताजें ऑर्गनायझेशन रजिस्टर्ड ना and he is asking सगळ्यांचो हिशोब आनी अकाउंट्स मागता.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.